Chattels.
How to verify your account on Chattels. From the homepage, go to your vendor dashboard. Scroll down on the side menu to Settings. Hover on Settings and a drop-down will be displayed. Select Verification. There are 3 categories of verifications on Chattels: verification of address, verification of identity, and social media verification. Verification of address. Verifying your address is required, as this is how Chattels will know the location of the store that you have stated in your store details or the item you are listing, and where to pick it up for delivery. Failure to verify your address means any order you receive will be given a grace period of 2 days to complete the verification address, or the order will be canceled and the customer will be refunded. You are to fill out all address fields accurately, as it is in your store details, and attach a document with the same address details on this verification page. Make sure the document is up to date and the content is clear to read. Upon completing the verification, a checkmark will be added to your store for customers to see, and you will have full access to your earnings. Verification of identity. You can decide to use any of the 4 options here, which are national ID, driving license, voter's card, or passport. The names on any of the documents must match the name on your registered Chattels account to avoid rejection. Successful verification of identity allows us to know if you truly are who you said you are, and it will give you full access to your earnings at any given time. Upon completing the verification, a checkmark will be added to your store if it is not there yet for customers to see, and you will have full access to be able to receive orders. Social profiles. Verify your social identity by linking your Chattels account with social profiles like Facebook, Google, and Twitter. This increases the credibility of your store. Upon completing the verifications, you can fully operate as a registered and trusted vendor on Chattels.